page 2 in the order sheet, ma'am.
Yes, बताइए, please बताइए.
Sri Amit Kumar, Superintendent of Police, Narsinghpur, is directed to file his personal affidavit, bringing on record along with it copy of the note sheet, order sheet, which will show the deliberation which had taken place before revoking the suspension of the
हाँ,
respondent.
ये कहाँ है? ये कहाँ है? Where is
This is
that?
not available.
आपने सस्पेंशन रिवोक किया था ना आपके प्रेडेसेसर ने, तो क्या क्या लिखा था नोटशीट में? वो नोटशीट कहाँ है?
No region has been assigned in revocation order.
क्यों क्यों जब पाया गया था उसके बाद क्यों बहाल कर दिया गया आपके द्वारा? कहाँ है वो नोटशीट? क्या लिखा था एसपी साहब ने? क्या व्हाट वर द कंसीडरेशंस बिफोर दी देन एसपी? That's because of suspension, he is under mental pressure. Therefore, prayed for revocation of suspension.
मैं सर सिर्फ एक लाइन अगर आप परमिट करें.
हाँ हाँ
for my lord.
हाँ हाँ हाँ
I do not know what type of affidavit has been filed by the state.
हाँ जी
It's a case where he was placed under suspension.
जी जी.
Now, my lords, he cannot dictate the terms.
नहीं, he is not dictating. Sorry, don't try to misunderstand. He is not dictating. He is just exposing the working of your police personnel. He is not dictating. He cannot dictate this court. Even if in dreams he cannot think of dictating this court. Nobody can.
Not the court, my lord. I'm not talking because he is talking about the past conduct.
Yes,
I'm
yes.
not talking about the court. He can't dictate terms to the court.
जी
I'm saying about the department.
जी.
Now, department places him under suspension.
हाँ ठीक है.
उसके बाद सर
हम ये समझना चाहते हैं ना, आप भी तो सर्विस जूरिस्प्रूडेंस की वकालत करते हैं कि मानसिक तनाव में कौन सा कारण होता है, कौन से प्रावधान में, इतना समझा देंगे एसपी साहब?
वही मैं बताना चाह रहा था. मैं मालूम
I would not have had any cause to object if there would have been objectivity in his decision, because he was the decision making authority. But when the decision is devoid of substance and the reason which is mentioned is not correlated to the service jurisprudence, then I'll have to seek his affidavit. Let Mr. Vipul Srivastava file his affidavit. Then we'll see.
वो करें सर. मैं सिर्फ एक बात बोलना चाह रहा था सर. But
And I'll ask Director General also to file affidavit that under which provision of law his subordinate could have revoked the suspension on receiving an application that he was required to undergo treatment without it being supported with any documentary or medical papers.
मैं सर वही बात बताना चाह रहा था. एक सेकंड के लिए अगर आप, मैं I'll take just 1 minute. What had happened, he met with, जो मेरे personal instructions हैं, because I am appearing on behalf of respondent number 5. He met with an accident, serious accident, where his car was completely damaged. He went for treatment. He was told that under suspension you cannot get the regular treatment.
किसने कहा ये? कौन सा प्रोविजन है ये?
ऐसा मैं सर बता रहा हूँ.
मैं दिखा दीजिए ना वो मेडिकल अटेंडेंस रूल्स में.
Therefore he moved an, नहीं उसमें है नहीं सर. He moved an application.
आपकी बात भी लिखा देंगे इसमें.
नहीं, मैं सिर्फ ये बताना चाह रहा हूँ. उसके बाद सर दूसरा मेरा कहना यह है कि इट इज द प्रेरोगेटिव ऑफ.
हाँ मैं आ रहा हूँ.
अच्छा सर, इसमें
मेरा ऑर्डर शीट पूरी सुन लीजिए.
इसमें सर एक चीज और है. उन्होंने दे हैव नॉट गिवन हिम एनी पुलिस स्टेशन. He is in a line.
We are not concerned with it.
It's like a.
We are not concerned with it. We are not at all concerned with it. You may take regular work. It is your prerogative.
Yes.
You may appoint him as an SP. You can give him charge of the superintendent of police because he appears to be more able and desirable for the establishment than the superintendent of police.
इनकी पिटीशन में रिलीफ देखें सर. ये क्या कहते हैं?
हमें उससे मतलब नहीं.
इसको डिसमिस कर दो.
चलिए हम उस पर डिसमिसल नहीं कर सकते. I know that I cannot dismiss him. But your conduct can be inquired into.
Yes, definitely.
चलिए कहाँ छोड़ा था?
Sorry for.
नहीं. You are right. I'll write that also. You whatever you contention you have made, that will come on record. हाँ क्या लिखा? Where the administrative action is laced with malafide and devoid of reason, then courts cannot sit as a silent and blind spectator. Spectator. Full stop. Let Director General of Police explain from the police manual or with the help of this law on service jurisprudence that mental tension and taking treatment can be the grounds for revocation of suspension, as has been done by the then Superintendent of Police Shri Vipul Srivastava. Full stop. It is directed that the present Superintendent of Police shall place the order sheet which is being filed today before the court along with the applications moved by the head constable and the TI respectively before the Director General of Police for facilitating him to file his affidavit on facts as well as on law. Let affidavit be filed within 7 days,
2 weeks, madam.
2 weeks, चलिए 2 weeks. Failing which he shall remain personally present.
कर देंगे सर.
चलिए failing which अभी मत लीजिए. 2 weeks. It is also directed that Director General shall call for the affidavit of Shri Vipul Shrivastava, who is reported to be on deputation to the central government. List on 26 जुलाई 2023. Top of the list. ये फाइल करिएगा वहां पर और ये तीनों डॉक्यूमेंट्स फाइल करिए आप आज ही.
एप्लीकेशन रिसीविंग देने लगता है.
क्यों एसपी साहब, आप लोगों को टीआई के बहुत दबाव में काम करना पड़ता है क्या?
नहीं सर, काफी क्लियर है सर.
हैं?
काफी क्लियर.
काफी
वी आर वेरी फेयर. नहीं,
नहीं,
दबाव
वो
नहीं.
तो फेयरनेस तो दिखाई दे रही है. मैं तो उससे पूछ रहा हूँ, काफी दबाव रहता है टीआई लोगों का क्या?
बिल्कुल नहीं सर.
है?
बिल्कुल नहीं सर.
They nourish SP or SP has to supervise their work.
The other way, sir. The SP has to supervise them also.
There is lack of supervision. It appears that they are nourishing the SP. कोर्ट्स इसीलिए बनाए गए हैं, इसीलिए बैलेंस है. ठीक है, जाइए अपने डायरेक्टर जनरल का एफिडेविट लेकर आइए. हाँ दीजिए ना.